Hi Virgo, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your June monthly reading. Do know, even as I'm doing your reading, I could be picking up on the energy of someone in your mind, someone who's attached to you, or even the cross watcher, who's here today checking on your energy. And also, please know that these are general energies, okay? So collective. They won't be resonating with each and every one of you out there. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin, Virgo. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please send us the message that Virgo needs to hear the most for the month of June. Thank you. So Virgo, hope you guys are doing well, staying home, safe. Let's put the cards down now. This is for your recent past. This is for what you're going through right now. This is in your immediate future. That's the month of June. This is what you're holding on or should hold on to. This is what you should let go of. These are your main hurdles this month, and this is how people are viewing you. This is the advice from the universe on how to, deal with the energies which we'll be picking up now. So Virgo, let's start opening the cards for you. The first card I have here is the Sun in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Five of Pentacles in reverse, the Star, Five of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and this card we'll leave for later. This will be the advice card after we've clarified all these cards. So Virgo, let's begin. For your present energy, Virgo, I see right in the center, your current energy, I have the Sun in reverse. The Sun card is such a positive card that even when it's in reverse, it doesn't really dim the light, It's still not so bad. Maybe there was something that you were really, really looking forward to, some new start in the recent past, which didn't really happen the way you wanted it to. So it's kind of, made you feel a bit disappointed, but nothing really to worry about. I do see in the recent past there was something that you wanted to start brand new. You were looking forward to a new beginning, and that, didn't take off. You were really wishing for this. I have the Star card twice. What you should hold on to, and the Star card here. So in the recent past, you had this wish and you had this hope to start something new, but somehow you haven't been able to do it. But Spirit is saying, don't lose hope. You should hold on to this dream of whatever you were wishing for. It's coming in the position of what to hold on to. So this dream of whatever wish that you had of this new beginning. Oh my God, I have Five of Pentacles clarified by the Five of Pentacles. Spirit is really strong right now. Virgo, I'm going to take a second. I'm going to pause the video. I need some more light. That is so much better, isn't it? Yes, I saw the Sun card and I realized we should have some light too. Anyway, so from what I see in the coming future, in the month of June, you are letting go of all the sadness and whatever maybe you felt, your project was not going to take off, and you were feeling a bit disappointed, you were feeling your wishes are not coming true. But here I see in the month of June, you are coming out of that, place. You are now holding ground. Okay, you are on a higher ground here in June, and you are letting go of the disappointment of this project not taking off. So don't worry if you're still feeling that, the Sun is in reverse and it hasn't yet taken off. Please, according to these cards, in June, you are going to be on much higher ground. You are going to get, over all this, the blockage or stoppage, whatever was happening in your life, which was not letting you begin this project. It's going to happen. You have the wish fulfillment, and that's what Spirit is telling you to do as well. That don't give up that hope. Please don't give up that hope. So what should you let go of? Okay, I have the Five. Oh my God, so many cards have come out, so I'm going to put them back. Okay, so I have the Five of Swords here. Okay, so maybe there was some manipulation which happened. There was an ego battle with somebody. Somebody showed you down, maybe, and you felt that that was not the right thing to do, and you felt, now I can't re-begin again, or there is no rebirth in the situation. Maybe somebody made you feel small. Okay, so whatever that thing was, let it go. Okay, if something or somebody made you feel like you were not worth it, or you couldn't manage it, let that go. This is a card of happy memories. So look back on all your past performances, whatever you've achieved in the past. uh, Compare that to where you are today. Don't let anyone belittle you. I think somebody tried to belittle you here by telling you that you were not worth it, or you couldn't achieve your goals. You are going to have stability, Virgo. You are going to have stability. This is a beautiful card of feeling secure and safe, and everything's going to work out for you. Maybe, yes, like I said, somebody came in rash and said some horrible things to you about maybe your work. Don't let it affect you at all. What Spirit is saying, hold on to this wish. Let's take a clarifier for the star as well. Spirit, what is a star? Don't even look for an apology. Don't even wait for anyone else to tell you, show you any love, care, whatever. You're on the right track. Okay? You may be feeling that, oh my God, this things have gone wrong and I'm not going to have growth now. Or maybe there's a parent who's upset with you. Is it possible? Very emotional at the moment. Very emotional at the moment, but you're letting go of that, burden, or you must have been quite defensive. The Spirit is saying, put your defenses down now. There's no point. Whatever your dream wish is going to happen. See, you have the Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment again. 3 cards, Virgo, of wish fulfillment. I think somebody was jealous of you and tried to belittle you, and made you feel small. And because of that fight, you it dimmed your light a little bit, something that you were really passionately wanting to, do or start off. So, see, even in your hurdle position, I have the 2 of coins. Why is this a hurdle? Because now you're going back and forth. You're not trusting your own self. You're not, feeling that because of maybe what this fight was all about, or somebody said something to you, you maybe lost that zeal or that trust in yourself. And you're going back and forth to say, can I do it? Can't I do it? So Spirit is saying, stop doubting yourself. Stop juggling these thoughts in your mind. Look at the way the cards are, see, even here, this person is juggling Temperance, 1 cup into the other. I'll show you here. Okay, back and forth, back and forth. So Spirit is saying, this is your biggest hurdle right now. Do not, whatever this person has said to you, let it go. It's not important. You have to trust yourself, because whatever you are thinking of doing is going to be a huge success. How do people see you? People see you devastated at the moment. Okay? People are thinking, oh my God, he stopped whatever project or whatever this person was, she or he was planning to do. They have come to a total stop, and they're shattered right now. Why is this Tower here for Virgo, Spirit? Why do people see? Yeah, maybe you stopped working on your project. Is that possible? You stopped putting in the effort. Spirit is here to tell you, Virgo, whatever you were planning to do was a very good idea, is a very good idea. If somebody has tried to stop your progress here, do not listen to that person. Okay? Don't feel defeated and don't second guess yourself. Because whatever you have thought is going to happen, and going to happen very well. Here, see, bottom of the deck also I have the 9 of Swords. Okay, you are just worrying about this, having sleepless nights, and you seem upset and worried all the time. Let's see what the universe wants to say to you after we've seen what kind of reading you've had. I want to see what the spirits. Yeah, see, spirit is saying whatever conflict, whether it's external or internal, you have to release that now, because there is absolutely nothing wrong in the wish that you have for yourself. If so many cards have fallen out, but let's take all of them and see. Have clear-cut vision. Okay, spirit is saying have clear-cut vision. Do not put a blindfold on and stop yourself. This person right now, I feel, Virgo, you have just shut yourself off and you don't want to think about working on this whatever you're working on. It's time now to stop being confused. Stop waiting for anyone else to bring you an apology or say sorry or anything like that. It's time to get out of this confusion now, get out of this conflict and find your own path. Okay, because there are 3-4 cards here of wish fulfillment, of happiness, of joy, of having everything that you ever dreamt of. You have to release this burden now, Virgo. That's what Spirit says. This is a burden now you're carrying on your shoulders of whatever fight or whatever happened. Just let it go. Okay. Let's take one angel card for you as well to see what this universe wants to bless you with this week. So, angels, what should Virgo do regarding this problem that they're facing? There is no problem. The sun is still there. You're just feeling it's, dimmed out because of this other person who made you feel that, you were not capable or something. I don't know. There's jealousy around, Virgo. What happens is when people see other people succeeding, sometimes they try and pull them down. So don't pay heed. Spirit is saying, find the child within and go back to exactly what you were doing if you were enjoying doing it. Okay, if it was a project that gave you a lot of happiness and joy, just go back into that mode to say, I'm going to do it because I enjoy doing my work. Okay, stop thinking of what people are going to say, what they're not going to say, how people are going to react. Just stop that now. Let's take one more card. So the second card I have for you, Virgo. Take action. Okay? Take action. Be in childlike happiness. I want you to go back to whatever you were doing and take action regarding whatever your dream is. Don't be bothered by naysayers. The more you will grow, Virgo, you will have more of these kind of people around you. You have to learn to listen to your own heart, your own soul calling, whatever your soul is saying to do. Okay? So you take care, and I'll see you next week. I'll also be coming out with love readings in case you want to subscribe and watch out for them. And otherwise, I'll see you next week. Take care.